Hi friends, today I am going to explain to you about the meaning of robotic-assisted surgeries in orthopedics, especially knee and hip replacements. A lot of people nowadays are asking me this question, sir, are you going to do the surgery or robo is going to do the surgery? Let me be very clear, in orthopedics it is robotic-assisted knee replacement or hip replacement. Unlike laparoscopic surgeries where surgeon does your laparoscopic abdomen surgeries, the laparoscope is introduced through small holes in the abdomen and surgeon is usually outside the surgical field. Only the scope and the required equipments are inside your abdomen and surgeon completes his surgery through the help of those equipments. But here in orthopedics, we use robot as an assistant, not as complete robotic surgeries, because as a surgeon, we need to expose the knee joint or the hip joint. We need to remove the extra bones called osteophytes. We need to release the soft tissues whenever there is tight and it requires release. And then we do a pre-operative planning through our image-based CT technology, where the robot is already fed all the information regarding the joint, the amount of correction needed, amount of bone to be cut, and then the robot is introduced into the surgical field. It does the basic bone cuts. After the bone cuts, it is again the surgeon who is going to implant place the implants and fix the final positioning and check it, and then we only close it. So robot is only a surgical or surgeon's assistant. So robot does the complete surgery. So this point I want everybody to understand. And friends, I am going to introduce my robots to you. We have two robots in our hospital. This is QIS robot, a South Korean imported robot. It is an open system where patient has the option to choose their implants. They can, whatever implants they want, they can choose with this robot. And this is a Make in India product. It is a Miso robot. This is also a very good robot. Both are there for our usage and to better our patients' knee joint surgery experience.